Hey, listeners, before we get into this episode, we have some fantastic news. You know, my K-12 Developing Mathematical Reasoning, Avoiding the Trap of Algorithms book came out earlier this year. Super excited. It hit top new release and bestseller. Ow! Well, I'm even more excited to announce that the grade band companion books are about to be here. The K2 companion book, Developing Mathematical Reasoning, Daily Strategies, Tools, and Activities to Teach the Big Ideas in K2, say that 5 times fast, is coming out soon. And we are having a launch webinar on October 8th at 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific.
And you are all invited to celebrate with us, especially K2 teachers and coaches and math leaders. Pam is going to share tons helpful things to teach K2 math that is more figure-outable.
Yep, I'm going live on October 8th to show you how you can get the most out of teaching our youngest students to math in all the best ways.
You're going to want to join us. To register, go to mathisfigureoutable.com/DMRK2 webinar. We'll see you there.
That's mathisfigureoutable.com/DMRK2 webinar. Now on to the episode. Hey, fellow mathers, welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam Harris.
And I'm Kim Montague.
And this is a Math Strat Chat episode because we chat about our math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a math problem on social media and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking.
Okay, so this Wednesday, our math problem was 16 times 28 or 32 times 12. Which is larger? How would you solve the problem? Pause the podcast, solve it however you'd like. The problem is, which is larger, 16 times 28 or 32 times 12?
Dun, dun, dun.
You want to go? You want me to go?
I don't want to do either of these.
Okay. That's a good sign that you want to play.
I do want to play.
Okay, do you want to play for a second?
Yeah. I'm not sure how long I want to play while people are listening.
Okay, do you want me to go first?
Oh.
Or do you want to go? Ooh, that sounds like a good ooh.
Well, so I just decided to play with doubling and halving.
Okay.
But I didn't like where it was going with 16 times 28, so I doubled and halved with 32 times 12.
Uh-huh.
I halved and doubled, and I got 16 times 24. And then I was like, wait a minute. 32 times 12 is equivalent to 16 times 24. And the other problem is 16 times 28. And the question is, which one's larger? Bam. 16/28 is larger than 16/24s.
Nice.
Sweet.
So I actually did the same, but in a different way, different numbers.
Okay.
So
what do you mean?
I saw the 16 and the 32 were like
between the two problems.
So I thought
between. Yeah. Keep going.
So I said 32 is double 16.
Okay.
And so I asked myself, what's the relationship between the 12 and the 28? And if they were equivalent, then the 12 would be 14. But that's not a 14, that's a 12. So then the 32 times 12 must be smaller.
So you look between the two problems, and I was within each of the two problems. That's very interesting because we call that one of the major things we want students to do in proportional reasoning.
Yeah.
In a proportion is to either look between like the two figures or within each figure. That's really interesting. That's a nice connection. I like that.
Super fun. We love Math Strat Chat. Okay, well, we're excited to see what you do every week. Join us on Math Strat Chat and let us know how you think about these problems and comment on each other's strategies.
Y'all, we'll post the problems on Wednesdays around 7 p.m. Central. When you answer, tag me and use the hashtag MathStratChat. Then join us to hear how we're thinking about the problem. Y'all, thanks for being part of the Math is Figure-Outable movement, because math is figure-outable. Don't forget, go to mathisfigureoutable.com/DMRK2 webinar. Can't believe we gave you a link that long. To register for the free Developing Mathematical Reasoning, Daily Strategies, Tools, and Activities to Teach the Big Ideas in K2 book launch webinar taking place on October 8th. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/DMRK2 webinar. We will see you there.